Tired of Discord blinding you at night? Yeah, I know the feeling. You're in a voice chat, everything else is dark, and then bam! That bright white interface just hits you right in the eyes. It's not just uncomfortable, it actually makes it harder to wind down. So, let me show you how to switch to dark mode in under 30 seconds. It's super simple, and I promise, once you do it, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to click in Discord settings to enable the classic dark theme, the newer midnight theme for a true black look, or even set it to sync automatically with your computer. That way, your eyes get a break and your Discord matches your vibe. All right, let's jump into it. First things first, you need to open Discord on your desktop. Once you're in, look all the way down to the bottom left corner of the window. Right next to your username and profile picture, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the user settings button. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where you control pretty much everything about how Discord looks and behaves, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Now, once that settings panel opens up, you're going to see a long list of options on the left. We need to find the section that says App Settings. It should be near the top, right below your profile stuff. Inside that App Settings section, click on the option that says Appearance. This is the control center for everything visual: fonts, colors, how messages are laid out, and of course, the theme. And here's the part you came for. Under the Theme section, you'll see a few options. The first one is the classic dark mode. Just click the radio button next to dark, and you'll see the entire interface switch instantly. Everything turns into that familiar, soft, grayish dark color that's so much easier on the eyes. But wait, there's actually a couple more options worth knowing about. If you scroll down just a little, you might see a theme called Midnight. This is a newer option that gives you a true black background. It looks amazing on OLED screens because those pixels actually turn off, which saves a little battery on laptops and phones. In my experience, the Midnight theme is perfect if you're gaming in a pitch black room. And then there's a really handy third option: Sync with Computer. If you toggle this on, Discord will automatically switch based on your operating system's light or dark mode setting. So when your computer goes into dark mode at sunset, Discord follows along without you needing to touch a thing. That's one of my favorite features because it keeps everything feeling consistent. So that's really all there is to it. From annoying bright glare to a comfortable, customized Discord that works for you. Whether you go with the standard dark, the deep midnight, or just let your computer handle it, your eyes will thank you. I hope this helps make those late-night gaming sessions or study groups a little more bearable. If you found this useful, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you're ever wanting to tweak something else in Discord, you know where to find me. Happy chatting!